Hi guys, welcome to my third video using the McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana palette. This is what the look is looking like with just the Celestial Nirvana palette, nothing extra added. I went quite dramatic with the eyelashes today, but I think it suits the look. I like the fiery red warm look that we created today. Different from the other looks that I've done so far, and I am going to top it up now with the Flare Star from Terra Cosmetics just to amp up the look a bit. I'm really eager to use all of my Terra Cosmetics eyeshadows, and it's not something that you can really use on its own because it's a multi-chrome color. So I kind of like combining it with colorful looks like this one. But I did want to first do a full look with the McGrath shades only, just to dive into the third part of the palette that I haven't used yet. So let's see what it looks like adding that Flare Star color as well. Okay, so here we have the final look with the Terra Cosmetics Flare Star color added. I think it looks pretty. It's a bit difficult getting the flakes out of the lashes if I apply it before the lashes, so obviously I won't do that when applying the color to my eyes. I would obviously do that before the lashes in the future, but overall I think the color is amazing. I love the shift that it has, and I think the colors suit this general eyeshadow look very well. Okay, so I just added some powder eyeshadow on my eyebrows and set the eyebrows with the NYX Control Freak clear eyebrow gel, and I primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay primer potion in the original color. I'm taking Venusian Peony and placing that down as my transition color on a Sigma, what's this, E35, and just taking it quite high up to just create a base color for my look. Just softly blending that out. I'm not putting a lot of product down, I just want to create a light transition shade. Don't want it to look too pink because I want to rather go in reddish fiery type of look. Then I'm taking a fluffy pointed brush and I'm going in with Flame Fatale and just placing that in the crease, buffing it out. I like to switch between these wiper type of motions and small little circles to blend out the colors. Just taking some more bright color. Just going back with the Sigma brush and just blending out the edges a bit. I'm not worried about the edges of the eye. I don't have my makeup on yet, my foundation and concealer, because I want to do some cleanup afterwards. Just softly blending the edges. Okay, so to deepen up the outer corners, I'm taking a small pointed brush with Auburn Allure, and I'm placing that on this outer V, just to darken up that outer V of the eye. This V here, I just want to create some depth. Color looks a lot darker on the eye than it does in the pan. It's actually the ideal color to darken up with. And just taking that brush that I placed the red color with and blending those two colors together. So excuse my nails, I broke one of them and the rest annoyed me, so I had to chop them all off. But I'm taking Starlit Copper on the finger and just putting that all over the lid. Just taking that fine brush and blending the outer edges. And the red, or the fluffy brush from the red, and just blending above the lid on the more inner side. Okay, so now I'm going to take Heavenly Bronze and just place it on the inner third of the eyelid to just give some sparkle and some extra dimension. I'm taking some of that Flame Fatale on that fluffy pointed brush again and just placing that below the eye. I'm trying to place it as close to the lash line as possible so I can buff that color out. And then I'm just taking that same Sigma E35 and just softly blending the edges here. I don't want the color to come down too low. Then I'm taking Auburn Allure on a thin angled brush. This is a kind of a thicker brush for an angled brush, just to define closer here to the lash line. You can use any thin precision brush for this. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, liner, lashes, and then show you the look with the Pat McGrath palette only. And then afterwards I will apply on top of this one of the Terra Moon shades just over the lid to just amp up the look and show you what it looks like with the Terra Moon shade on top of this. You can see I've been off sick for a few days. I completely forgot about the inner corner and brow bone highlight. So I'm going in with Golden Angelica. I'm taking some of that on my pinky finger and wow, just placing it in the inner corner there. Oh, that's such a pretty inner corner color. I'm taking that same golden color and just putting it on a flatter, fluffy brush and just close to the brow, highlighting the brow bone. Okay, be back with the rest of my makeup. So here's the final look. What do you think? It went a bit dramatic with the lashes, and overall I think it looks kind of pretty. So let me top it up with the Terra Moon shade and then I will be right back. So that's what the color looks like. I am going to apply it with a brush, a small, dense, compact brush. I usually like applying shades like these with my fingers, but considering that I've already done my lashes and I actually want to see how these shades apply with the brush, I'm going in with the brush itself. It looks like it's a bit flaky on the brush, so let's see. It's not too bad. I like the way it applies with the finger better. You just get a smoother application. But it's not impossible with a brush. Oh, it's a pretty color. Just applying that all over the lid. Oh, I like that. Kind of difficult to work around these lashes. They're not more dramatic than I'm used to. This color is amazing. Oh, like a crow. I love shiny stuff. And isn't that the shiniest of shiny? Okay, so there's the look now with the Terra Moons Cosmetics Flare Star color. Stunning color, and I think it's an amazing choice for this look. Oh, and I just love the shine. I do have a little bit of fallout there when applying it with the brush. Let's see if I can dust that away. I'm definitely getting a lot more fallout applying it with the brush than I normally do when I apply it with my finger. So it's worth mentioning that. However, when I do this look standard, I would obviously do it with my finger before applying my lashes. And there we go. What do you think? I love it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.